You turn on your kitchen faucet and expect nothing but crystal clear purity, but the reality of what is flowing through your pipes is often a complicated mess of minerals and chemicals. When you finally decide to take control of your home's water quality, you run headfirst into a massive fork in the road. It is a choice between the high-touch luxury of a full-service experience and the high-performance grit of a direct-to-consumer powerhouse. Think about the last time you had a contractor in your house. That is the world of Leaf Home Water Solutions. They are the ultimate convenience play. They walk you through every step from the initial water test to the final tightening of the pipes. You do not have to worry about a single technical detail. You do not have to research flow rates or gain capacities. They just handle it. But that peace of mind carries a heavy tax. Their pricing is famously opaque. You often find yourself in a long consultation where the price seems to shift based on what services you bundle together. You are paying for the brand, the technician's van, the insurance, and the office staff. It is a premium package for people who simply want the problem to go away without lifting a finger. On the other side of the ring, we have SpringWell. These guys are the engineers of the water world. They do not care about fancy sales pitches or glossy brochures. They focus on the hardware. They use advanced digital metered valves that are designed to be incredibly smart. These valves monitor exactly how much water you use and only trigger a regeneration cycle when it is actually necessary. That means you are not dumping salt and water down the drain for no reason. It is a level of efficiency that saves you a significant amount of money over the years. You get clear, defined specifications on every single component. You know exactly how many stages of filtration your water is passing through. You know the exact capacity of the system. There are no secrets here. However, the responsibility shifts to your shoulders. You are the one who has to find a reliable plumber or spend a Saturday morning in the garage with a pipe cutter. You are the one responsible for the upkeep. It is a system built for the informed homeowner who wants the absolute best performance for every dollar spent. If you have a large family or live in an area where the water is notoriously hard and full of minerals, the performance gap becomes impossible to ignore. SpringWell systems are often better equipped to handle those heavy-duty demands because they do not compromise on the internal components to pay for a massive sales team. Leaf Home wins on the human element and the sheer lack of effort required from you. They make the process feel like a breeze. But if you look at the long-term value and the actual quality of the water in your glass, the data usually points in one direction. Most people find that the transparency and raw power of a high-performance system outweighs the temporary comfort of a hands-off installation. You have to decide if you are buying a service or if you are buying a solution. One keeps your hands clean during the setup, while the other keeps your water clean for a decade to come. It really comes down to how much you trust the salesperson versus how much you trust the specs on a datasheet. Performance usually beats a polished presentation in the long run.